it's very good to preserve the memory of these people, and I'm glad you are all coming in big numbers to Kulamaga.
Kiba kisa okuteekaho ebiseera bino okuba nti tuyijjukira abantu bano era nimwiza mu bungi muti okuba nga tuyijjukire naku gino mwekubireko mu ngalo banange.
Now, because of that, the government put a lot of money in developing Namugongo.
Olw'ensonga ye gavumenti yataayiremu esente nyingi ino okukulya ekifo kye Namugongo eky'Abakatuliki.
I think more than 90 billion or something like that.
Obuwumbi busuika 9 egavumenti y'NRM obwe yakateeke Namugongo.
On the Catholic side.
Okuluhirwa Abakatuliki bonka.
And then on the Protestant side, we also put billions there.
Okusaidia Abaprotestanti yona nitutaayo obuhumbi obuhera.
So therefore, developing this site here will be done.
N'olwekyo okuzimba ekitundu kino hano wa St. Gonzaga kyaba akolebwa. Mukube emizira n'engalo nanyere sente alagire.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.